Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, your assistant teacher. Today the lesson is continue. The lesson is the manufacturing industries, and today this is our fourth lecture. So let's we study about the lesson, and our lecture is about the classification of the industries. Means what are the type of industries? So I have classified the industries on the different basis. So let's we study. In the first, the industries on the basis of capital. Means there are two type of the industries. One is called the large scale industries. The second is called the small scale industries. Large scale industries means the kind of industries where the large number of the people are engaged in this industries, and in these industries the kind of money which is spent, it is more than 1 crore. That is very important things, all the people should know about it. Means more than 1 crore. That is very important things. And second industry is the on the basis of capital, it is a small scale industries. Small scale industries, the kind of industries where the this industries in the number one is owned by the individuals, and where the small number of the people are engaged, small number of the people are employed there. And that is very important differences between the industries, large scale industries and small scale industries, where the amount which is spent, it is less than 1 crore rupees. It is less than 1 crore rupees. This is very important. You will say a kind of the differences. That is very important things. You should know it. So student, our second classification of the industries on the basis of bulk and weight and of the raw material. Bulk and weight of the raw material means the two type of the industries has been classified here. One is called the heavy industries and second is called the light industries. Heavy industries means where the bulky or the heavy items are used to manufacture the goods, such as the steel industries, the cement industries, and many of the heavy industries. Means you can include also there the locomotives, the railway compartments, and many of the other, you say, tools or the big machinery, ship buildings, so many other kind of the buildings have been used for the manufacturing. And second one is called the light industries. Light industries means the kind of industries where the small kind of the items has been used. So for manufacturing the sewing machine, electric gadget, electric equipments, and many of the other industries. So this is the kind of second type of the industries which is has been classified on the basis of bulk and weight of the raw material. And next one, industries on the basis of ownership. So we have classified the industries on the basis of ownership. These are the private industries, public industries, joint industries, and cooperative industries. It is very important to discuss about it. So private industries means the industries which is owned by the private or the individuals or group of people. These industries mostly controlled by the private entrepreneurs and private peoples, private individuals. So where is only the control of the private individuals, such as the kind of industries which is private industries, where I have giving the example TISCO, Tata Iron Steel Corporation Authority of India. This is the kind of industries. Tata Iron Steel Corporation. So this is the kind of industries which is in the hand of private individuals. Second one is the Sahara. Next one is Bajaj. So many industries are running by the private or the individuals, such as the Patanjali also. It is the kind of private industry which is in the hand of private individuals. Second one industries, it is called the private public industries, and it is also called the government sector. So public sector or the government sector, it is controlled by the government. It is controlled not by the private individuals. So these industries mostly have the control of the government, and there are many of the important things have been seen, such as the whale sale and so many other kind of the industries. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. These are the kind of industries which are the hand of a public sector or the government sector. Next one is the kind of industries. It is called the joint industries or the joint sector, where you will say include the both industries, mean private and public industries. So they become the joint sector. Joint sector means where there is a share of private and the public industries are jointly hand together working. So this is called the joint sector, where we will give the example of Oil India Limited. This is the kind of joint sector industries which is controlled by the both hands, means private and the public hand. Next one industries is the cooperative industries. Cooperative industries means the kind of industries where there is the kind of share of the supplier, and second one is called the share of the producer. So both are the two partners which are working together, and where they are maintaining their mutual understanding at the time of production, at the time of consumption. Because this sector is successfully running in India, especially in the milk industries, means the dairy industries, the cotton industries, the sugar industries. The three industries are there which are running successfully the cooperative sector. So that is very important things to know about all these cooperative sectors which are successfully running in India. So student, we have successfully studied the. So student, our next industry on the basis of source of raw material. There I have divided the two industries which are the agro-based industries, and second one is called the mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries means mostly the product which are coming from the agriculture sector. So I have divided them between the agro-based industries where the jute, cotton, sugarcane, and so many other product has been produced, and where the different type of the other industries are dependent, such as the gem industries, pickles industries, and the dairy industries, and so many other kind of the industries are dependent over the agro-based industries. And second one is called the mineral industries. Mineral industries means where the steel, aluminium, cement, and so many other kind of the industries are has been concentrated in this area. So this is called the mineral based industries. So I hope all the students could understand well. Now the next industries we will study well. So student, I hope you will make. Next industries means this is last industries on the basis of main rule. There are two type of the industries. One is called the basic or the key industries, and the second one is called the consumer industries. Basic or key industries we can understand well that they produce the kind of raw material or the manufactured goods which supply to the other industries and which are very useful for producing the other products, such as the iron, steel, smelting industries, so many other kind of the industries where the different kind of the machineries has been produced. Different kind of industries means which are very useful for running the other kind of the industries, where the processing units are very helpful by the production after the basic and key industries. So I hope all the students could understand well. And next one is the consumer industries. Consumer industries means where the kind of a product only they are targeted to produce only for the consumer, such as the toothpaste, toothbrush, bulb, electric tubes, bulb, and so many other kind of the product which are mainly produced only for the targeting of consumers. So these are the kind of industries which are classified. I have divided them at the different kind of the ground, capital, bulk and weight of the raw material, ownership, source of raw material, main role. So I hope all the students could understand well, and where I have not written, all of the students could able to listen it carefully, and they will try to write what is being delivered by the teacher. So I hope all the students could understand well, and this is the kind of fourth lecture of the introduction part. Now the next part where we will see the different type of the industries and their kind of the objectives, which are the factors which are very useful to settle the industries in certain areas, which are the difficulties, which are the challenges of the industries. We will study in the next video. I hope all the students could understand well. That's it. Continue to listen it very carefully so that it will help you to understand well. I hope all the students could understand. Thank you, student.